The next layout is the group layout. Here, grouping similar machines into work centers that process families of parts with similar shapes or processing of requirement is called as a group layout. So in grouping different parts, what is the procedure that is adopted here is this group layout is called cell layout. The process involved here is first identify families of parts with similar flow paths. Identifying families of parts with similar flow paths. That is the first step. The second step is grouping machines into cells based on part families. The third one is arrange cells so that movement is minimized. So this is type of layout is called as the group layout, and you can see that in this figure you can find that there are three groups are there, or total 5 groups are there. You can see that this is group 1, this is group 2, both this combined are group 3, group 4 and group 5. So you will be arranging into different cells. These groups are different cells where the machines will be placed depending upon the shape of the part that you have to produce, and likewise so that the will minimize the distance moved and completion of the time. So if you look at this diagram, you can observe which kind of production can be adopted for depending upon the production quantity. So as the production quantity increases, you can see that we adopt the mass production. So on the layout that is adopted is product layout, and if the production quantity is minimum, right, if the production is cost minimum, then we adopt the fixed position layout. And if the production is in between the small production and large production, then you adopt a production called as the batch production, and the layout that is adopted is called as the process layout. So that's how based upon the production we can divide into different, we can use different types of layout so that the production can be done in a efficient and effective manner.